Hi everyone, so welcome back. So today I am going to be filming my installation of Autobeam products. Lighting. So I have the number plate units, reverse, the rear units, and I've also got the yellow and white fog lights. So yeah, this is my first time changing my lights on my car on my own. So we shall see what it brings. Let's go. It is definitely too hot to be doing this today. That's the first two off. Ew, how dirty it is. So you literally just unlock the rear unit, your bulb, so it'll come out, lights. Hopefully it should just be a straight bit. We shall see. Woo, they are in. While I've got this light out, I'm going to do the reverse light as well, so yes, let's go. Turn it to the left. Shake it. Doing alright so far. Woo! This one just literally just popped out, so it can't really be that hard. These are new ones. They've literally just slotted in so easily, there was no messing around at all. Looks pretty. So that one's done. I might just actually just do a little video to see if it's any different. It's just such a shame it's so sunny. But we shall see. Might reverse it up into some shade. And it should just slot together normally. They're my normal lights, and they are more orange than red, should I say. And these are the Autobeam ones, which are a lot more red than orange. How they should be. I've just finished the rear lights, which I'm really happy with. The rear lights are actually so much nicer because the old one was orange and the new ones were actually red. So yeah, it looks miles better. The reversing lights, love them because they're actually like, you can see them now. The forward ones were horrible yellow. I'm looking at myself now and I'm so red. Anyway, I am going on to do the number plates. I know these can be awful, so good luck to me. It's not even putting the bulb in, it's actually getting the bulbs pissing it out. I'll have a go. This does not go to plan, I'd be rolling around right now.
push it all the way. Just keep doing it.
Technical difficulties.
Then you get
After. How do we put it back in now?
It just goes. They're a lot easier to get in and out anyway.
Sorted. So I've done my back end of my car, should I say. I am now on to the fog lights. I'm not excited because I tried it the other day and it failed miserably. So I'm going to try it again. This literally just pops off, so you pull it from this side and pull it down and it comes off. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I have to do it from this side or under the bonnet. We shall see. I've gone the most awkward way around this. These haven't been touched since I got the car. I'm finding it hard work. Yeah, I've got to take the back end off. Ew. Go. We're nearly there. Ah, the other one's not a star thing, isn't it? It's a pushy.
That clips and then it pulls on it. I just can't pull on it.
Right, so we've unhooked it and we're about to put the new one in. Somehow. Oh yeah, there's three, isn't there?
Just looking for the biggest one. It's fitted.
About to put it back together now after the half an hour it just took us getting it off.
Which it should slide in that way, I think, shouldn't it?
After. Completely different floors, aren't they? That's quite cool, that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After a rough installation, we're going to have to put them back in. It's going to be awkward. Just putting the board back in.
Bit awkward when you can't see exactly where the holes are.
You cannot even feel for them.
There's like 3 holes there.
Did you get
Nope,
it?
missed it.
Just putting the board back in.
Bit awkward when you can't see exactly where the holes are.
You cannot even feel for them.
There's like 3 holes there.
Did you get
Nope,
it?
missed it.
Oh, this is all going to have to be cleaned. For the whole process, you are going to need a star key. Every size possible. It's fun. car is done. Look at my face. The lights are all installed. It took me and my mum, she did actually help me, about 3 hours, just because I've never done it before. Hi. Yeah, and honestly, great. I love them already. So they're great. Look at my little babies. I'm so happy with them. They're so good. They're a lot brighter than normal ones, so yeah. So as you know, the lights from Autobeam, they come with a buy now, pay later. I'd definitely recommend it, so get yourselves on there. If you want to try them out first and buy later, do it, definitely. Also, I do have a discount code for you. If you want to get free delivery on your items, put in the code ThatFezgal, I'll link it below. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you. Mean, does it look? How much better than real lights compared to the normal Ford ones? Proof. Beautiful. I'm happy. So as everyone knows, I didn't use a ramp. Obviously it can't be done without one. And I also didn't take the headlights out because I didn't realise we had to. Really happy. I definitely 100% Autobeam. As you know, there will be more videos coming, so please like, comment if you want to, subscribe, share, pretty much anything you want to do it. I will post my Instagram below for people who want to message me questions, whatever. I have actually filmed this on my phone today, so yeah. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.